In case you've been living under a rock, Google has just teased that they could potentially be coming out with a streaming platform that promises to be the Netflix for games. We don't know, but this could potentially revolutionize games as we know it. Hey, it's Chris, and today we're going to be talking about Google's potential new gaming platform. This platform promises to bring games straight to your internet browser, and all you'll need is a high-speed internet connection. With all of the rumors flying around here, on March 19th, Google will be announcing their gaming platform at GDC. This platform could potentially change everything, removing things like graphics cards and needs for actual hardware. Speculation is growing that the way this will work is that your game will be played on a super server that Google will have, and they're going to be streaming the actual gameplay to your browser instead of having your own computer running the game. This is awesome because if your computer is crappy like the ones that I have, you don't need a fancy graphics card to play Assassin's Creed or any of the other major titles that are released. This news could potentially devastate the gaming market as we understand it right now. Removing the need for hardware could totally revolutionize games. Without a need to buy an Xbox, a PS4, or a Nintendo anymore, having all these games delivered right to you seems like the future. Following in the footsteps of platforms like Hulu and Netflix, Google promises to bring you quality games straight to your browser. This is Google's first major step into the gaming space. Without any kind of console or any other hardware that has games on there outside of the Play Store, this is Google's first chance to really make an impression with gamers. Outside of the teaser that Google released themselves, word broke about this streaming service when people found a patent online showing Google's new controller. The controller design looks very standard, sporting a D-pad, 2 joysticks, and play buttons in their usual spot. This controller, though, is different because it might be the only piece of hardware you need to interact with this software. My personal opinion is that this streaming service could potentially be fantastic and change everything. Being able to play a AAA title in your browser while you're at work or on your break is going to be insane. If done correctly, this Netflix for games platform could revolutionize the gaming industry. Speculating even further, you can go as far to ask, will there be integration with YouTube Gaming or Google Glass with their AR? That could be amazing. And begs the question, what about your smartphone? Could you be playing AAA titles on your smartphone on the go? The possibilities sure do seem endless. Let us know in the comment section below if you think Google has any business being in the gaming space at all, or if they're going to change the face of gaming as we know it. We want to hear from you guys. Be sure to follow our YouTube page and look out for our video where we dissect everything that happens at the GDC event. And as always, follow us on social media, and for all things tech, visit techable.com.